Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, some comments on the gold market. In fact, we currently could say only the same things that we have talked yesterday. Situation here stands very similar to the euro currency. Since the gold right now stands in the same conditions in the euro currency because it already has passed through the major levels. It is not oversold, and in fact gold right now could freely continue move lower to our destination point. That's approximately 10.38. That is the completion point of this ABCD pattern. If euro currency stands between the 1 and 1618 target, then the gold market stands between the 618 and the 100% extension. Also, gold has passed through the major support clusters, lows around 1077. This cluster has been broken. Also, market has erased the Russian rings and shown us on the minor retracement. Based on this action, guys, on this really thrusting action down, erasing of the Russian rings, here it is the continuation below this support area, makes us think that gold has more chances to continue lower to this target. Currently, we do not see any significant reasons for gold to show any deep bounce up. And from that standpoint, we have to keep an eye on significant resistance. Take a look at 1077 is a very significant area, because if market will return back inside of this support cluster, it will be able to show the deeper retracement to the upside. It will not mean that the overall bearish trend has been broken and market will not reach this target. It just will mean that market will try to show the deeper retracement to the upside and a bit postpone the reversal down. So probably continuation will happen, but after the deeper retracement. That's why this level will be very significant and important for us. So on the hourly chart, we see that this level also is accompanied by the trade resistance level. And from that standpoint, we need to wait and look for behavior what we'll get around this area, because normal bearish action and what we would like to see from the bearish perspective is the bounce down. So market has retested the broken support. 1077 was the support that has been broken. Okay. Now market has retested it. We have discussed this yesterday, and normal bearish action should continue move lower, because here market is not at the support. Just minor support of the 127 extension of this most recent swing. Market has hit this target, shows some minor bounce, because on the daily chart major support was here and market already has passed through it. That's why here is not at oversold. So no reasons in fact for some really deep action. That's why normal bearish action should turn to the downside. But now we here have to take the same steps on the euro currency. Here, before taking the short position, you need to get bearish trend on your side on the hourly chart. So you need to see that trend has shifted bearish and has been confirmed. That trend is bearish on the hourly chart. And only after that you could try to take the position on this based on this most recent swing on some retracement, minor retracement that is based on this most recent swing down. Before this will happen, it's better to not take the short position, because if trend will not shift bearish, and market will keep the chances on returning back in this cluster, support cluster, and if this will happen and market return back inside of it, that will really could be the reason for the deeper retracement. That's why this is very important to control that market will not return back above this area, above the 1077, 1080 area. We would not want to see it from the bearish point of view. So that's in fact all that we could say here on the gold market.